it's quite important to have all the information that you need to say, and it's not rocket science. It requires some time and effort, depending like how complex your organization is. It could take months or even a few years, but I would say it's the most important thing in any like privacy program, because you can use the information for other purposes as well, not just for privacy notice. Imagine like you would be doing financial statements and you wouldn't have any like bookkeeping material. How could you do it? But still, a lot of organizations are doing it for privacy notices. But again, it's not rocket science. You could start from anywhere. Like instead of tracking money, this time you would be tracking data. You first identify the data sources, customer service situations, apps, websites, and you start from there, like where does the data go? From which systems, which cloud services, etc. Then you start to identify third parties. Then you can ask questions like where are the IT systems located? You start to identify transfers to third countries and so forth. And the key here is you can do it by sending questionnaires to your business teams, but I recommend that, again, well, depending like who's going to draft the notice or collect the information, it's better to go there by yourself, because you're learning a lot about the business, how the processes are done and so forth. And instead of asking like, what are you doing, or are you transferring data to US, you should be asking like how things are working, or where are IT systems located, because then you would get the information you get is more accurate than with using simple forms, at least in our opinion. And again, once you understand the processes, you might know that data is going from system A to system B, fine, but if you ask like how is the data actually going, you might identify that a person is taking a snapshot from the data to her or his laptop and then sending it via email to his colleague who puts the data to the B system. But if you don't identify that situation, you never probably gonna meet your retention times, because the data gets duplicated to usually hundreds or even thousands of different locations, at least in my experience.